Hello everyone, I'm again present under the crown of Foster of English to explain the second part of Glimpse of India, class 10th, part 2, Korg by Lokesh Ebrol. Korg is a small district of Karnataka. Let us explore more about this place through this chapter in a video. Let us talk about the author. A small introduction. Lokesh Ebrol is a renowned doctor by profession. He established the first multi-specialist hospital in the private sector in Gurgaon. He is also a social worker. He established the first stray cow shelter in Gurgaon. Lokesh Ebrol is an established writer. The present essay on Korg highlights his sharp observation and the ability for a graphic description of the wonderful land that is called Korg. A brief introduction about the chapter. This lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Korg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here, while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands, and Tibetan settlements. Starting with the detailed description of the chapter, Korg is the small district of Karnataka. It is known as Kodagu also. Korg lies between the coastal town of Mangalore and Mysore. It is a very beautiful place. The writer says that it must have come from the kingdom of God. It is that beautiful. It is the smallest district of Karnataka. Korg is famous for its coffee plantation, evergreen rainforest, and spices. 30% of its area is covered with evergreen rainforest. The best season to visit this place is from September to March. The weather is perfect. The air is full of coffee flavor. There are beautiful colonial bungalows in prime corners. The people of Korg are independent and brave. They are of Greek or Arabic descent. According to a story, a part of Alexander's army did not return and was settled here. They married the locals. This culture can be seen in the martial traditions, marriage, or religious customs. Another theory says that these people originated from the Arabs. It is evident from the long black coat worn by the people. It is like the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Korgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. They are very brave. Their tales of bravery are famous. The Korg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Korgi. Even today, the Kodavas are the only people in India who are allowed to carry firearms without a license. There are a variety of natural scenes which can be enjoyed by tourists. Kaveri, the only river of the area, gets its water from Korgi Hill. This river is full of mahashir, a large freshwater fish. You can see that in the picture. One can see elephants, kingfishers, squirrels, and langurs enjoying themselves in the lap of nature. Birds, bees, and butterflies give one a good company here. Elephants enjoy being bathed here by their mahavats. The river and mountains offer various adventurous games like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. The trekkers find numerous walking trails in this area. From the Brahmagiri hills, one can enjoy a panoramic view of the entire landscape of Korg. There is a 64-acre island of Nisarg Dhama nearby. It can be reached through a rope bridge. Buddhist monks are settled in Bailakap, which is very close to this place. Their red, ochre, and yellow robes are very attractive to look at. Now, talking about the summary of the chapter, the writer describes the hill station of Korg, located in the Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. It is located midway between Bangalore and Mangalore. A suitable time to visit Korg is from September to March. The place is famous for coffee plantation and spices. There are abundant rainforests which cover over 30% of this area. The Korgi men are brave warriors who are permitted to keep firearms without a license due to their trustworthiness. The women of Korg are pretty. Korg is also known as Kodavu or Kodavas, though are Hindus by religion, but their customs differ from those of mainstream Hindus. They marry within their community. Kodavas are said to be of Greek or Arabic descent. Some soldiers of Alexander's army settled there. Also, as the ethnic dress of the Kodavas, kupia is similar to the Arab garment kufia. It is said that this may be their ancestors, those who belong from Arab or Kurd. The river Kaveri originates from Korg. The fish named Mahasir is found in this river. Many animals and birds like kingfisher, langur, squirrels, and elephants can be spotted nearby this river. Tourists relax in this beautiful atmosphere and they also enjoy adventure sports like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, mountain biking, rock climbing, and trekking. While trekking on the natural ways trails, animals like Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lorries can be spotted. The main tourist attraction are Brahmagir Hills, Nisarg Dham Island, and Balakupe Tibet settlements. Korg gives visitors a feel of India's diverse cultures. Now coming to the main points of the chapter. Korg is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. It is called the land of rolling hills. It is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and the wild creatures. It is the smallest district of Karnataka. Korgi is the home of evergreen forests, spices, and coffee plantation. September to March is the most pleasant season for the tourist. During this period, weather is perfect and the air breathes of coffee. The people of Korg are very much independent and very brave people. They are possible of Greek or Arabic origin. It is said that a part of Alexander's army settled there and married amongst the locals. They wear black coat with the embroidered waist belt. Korgi's home are known for their hospitality. The Korg regiment in the Indian Army is the most decorated. The first chief of Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Korgi. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Korg. High energy adventures with river rafting, canoeing, rock climbing, and mountain biking are quite popular here. Birds, bees, butterflies, Malabar squirrels, and langurs find shelters in their rainforest. The top of Brahmagiri Hills give us a very beautiful view of this valley. India's largest Tibetan settlement at Bailakup is famous for its Buddhist monk and temple. Here I have given the vocabulary which is used in the chapter of your book. You can check it out. I hope students you were able to understand the chapter, and if you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and if you have not turned on the notification bell, please do so for my further videos. Thank you so much.